Yeah, it's been a long road. 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 Them long road. It's been a long road. It's been a long road. Them long roads. It's been a long road. Them long roads. It's been a long road. It's been a long road. Having to walk real far, not having a car. It's been a long road. Having to scratch and scrape, save change, hoping I could catch a bus. You heard me? From one town to the next town, from one city to the next city. Yo, it's been a long road. The sweat on my face, having to wipe the sweat off my face. You heard me? Whether it's cold, whether it's hot, whether it's cold, whether it's hot. It's been a long road, Try not to be stressed, try not to be stressed, you heard me? Life is a test. Test how tough your skin is. Do you got tough skin to endure? Carrying your luggage, carrying a bag. Sometimes not wanna carry your bags, Just get a clean start. Start over, a fresh start, start over. Get a fresh start, make new friends, see a new environment, change your environment. The atmosphere different, a new atmosphere, Then you start to change, then you start to grow, then you start to learn different things, about communities and people and culture. Learning different things about the culture and communities. It's been a long road. It's been a long road. It's been a long road, year after year, year after year. Try this here, try that there. Different training, education, maybe something educational and a training, Take a class online, a virtual class online. It's been a long road, labor gigs, work a labor gig. You heard me? General labor, you heard me? In your work boots, doing what you can just to survive. Order off the dollar man, doing what you gotta do to survive. Even if you have to order off the dollar man, you heard me? But this is handsome price, This is handsome price. Sometimes it take that. Sometimes it take the hard work and dedication. A lot of hard work and dedication, Trying different occupations, A different industry, a different category. Exercising skills, exercising your skills. Been a long road. It's been a long road. Walking down a long road, a country road, a dirt road. You heard me? It's been a long road, Near a major highway. You never know, you might have to, stay near a major highway so you can get to and fro. Travel to and fro when you travel. You heard me? It's been a long road. Handsome price. It's been a long road. Handsome price. It's been a long road. You feel me?